Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm going to show you how to create the filter. Okay, so this is very important while creating the sheet or placing the view in the sheet. So we all know how to create the filter, but I'm going to show you a different way. Okay, see, suppose here generally what we do to create the filter, if we select this pipe, come here, the system type is chill water return, okay, or system classification is hydronic return, and the categories is pipe, right? This is categories. So generally we create the filter like chill water return, okay, and here in categories we select the pipe related to pipe, all the things like fitting, insulation, all the things, okay. And here rules, what we do, system type. What is system type? Equal to, it should be chill water return, okay. And after that we click the OK, right? Then what we do, we create the filter and add that filter here. And if I don't want to show in my view, so I click here, no, and it's gone, okay. So like this, if we create the filter, so I have to create a lot of filter. What means a lot of? It means that one filter for chill water return, one filter I have to create for chill water supply, one filter for duct, okay, and one filter for this drainage pipe, like PVC pipe, or the one filter for waste pipe. So it is quite too much creating the filter, okay, and it's a hectic lengthy process, okay. So I'm going to show you how to create the filters in a very easy way, okay. Here I don't want this one, okay. Now see carefully, we'll go in manage and create the shear parameter, okay. Here, and it will save in OneDrive document, okay, no issue. Create filter, the name is filter, okay, either we can name. After that, group. What group? We can take name anything, like I'm going to give these filters, okay, in group, and the parameter is here system, right? Whatever name you can give, okay. And discipline is common, and length is text, right? And okay, and okay. So now if I'm going to select this one, okay, tab, I select all the things, whether it is duct or this chill water return pipe, chill water supply pipe, okay. Similarly we can select this one, tab, control and select. So all the duct I selected, it means all the HVAC related whatever the parts I select, okay. And after that, here it will not show the parameter which I create. So what I have to do, I have to take in our project. I create the shear parameter, now I have to include in our project, okay. So what I create, I have to add here the shear parameter, select system, okay. Here I select instance, okay, everything. And here categories I have to add, in which category I want to show here. Okay, so it means any category we can select. I select like identity, GH space system zones, or either you can check all, no issue. Okay, so it's better to select what the services which I have done. I have done like plumbing. Okay, so related to plumbing or everything we can select. So first I am going to select HVAC at air terminal and duct accessories, duct fittings, duct insulation, duct lining, okay, duct placeholder, duct system, duct, okay. And after that what I did so all the services like MEP, mechanical equipment, okay. After that what we did, pipe accessories, pipe fitting, pipe insulation, pipes, okay. Then plumbing fixture, okay. So all the things I think I select, let me check, okay, which I have done in our here in our modeling. Okay, so this is one time process and we can use in many project. Okay, so now what it means, if I will select anything like duct, so here it should show, see text, it should show here. Okay, and if here whatever the services I have select, the text will show here. Okay, and apart from these services if I will select, then our text here it will not show. Okay, so this is the reason we select the categories. Now what I will do, tab select, and also tab select. Okay, all the things I select, and after that text here, what is the system, this one AC or HVAC, HVAC, okay, select. Okay, now here this is waste pipe, so let me select all. Select. Okay, after that also this side, okay, this one I select. And this side also I select, right? And this is not selected, so I will show you. Deliberately I leave this one. So here it is not showing, system name not showing. Okay, because I think I select some element which is not uh, is here. Okay, so let me check once again. So what I have to do, suppose here if I select, it is showing system types text. Okay, so because I select also this dot, so and this thing. Okay, now system type is what? Waste pipe, WP. Okay, WP. So similarly this thing, WP. Okay, see, so what are the services I select here? I'm confused because which one I already create the share parameter, or which one not. Okay, so for this one purpose I have to come here, filter, add filter. Okay, and edit. After that here one time I have to create the filter. Okay, so HVAC, one filter I create, so HVAC. After that again I have to select all the services. Okay, HVAC, this is one time process only. After that we can use in multiple project, right? And duct accessories, duct fitting, duct insulation, duct lining, ducts, then here air terminal. Okay, after that pipes fitting, pipe insulation, pipes. Okay, these services I select. One I left is mechanical equipment. Okay, pipe accessories, duct accessories. Okay, so these services, and here what? System name which I created, this one I created. Okay, system equal to HVAC, right? HVAC, you see. Okay, okay, add HVAC. Now if see here, see here, if I will visibility I do off and apply, then all the services is gone here. Okay, this is not gone because I did not select. So what I will do, simply select this one, this. Okay, and oh, because this is insulation, I think. So see, this thing I'm unable to select here. Okay, because this is the duct lining. We can check here, this is duct lining. See, even I apply the filter, then still it is showing here, this is duct lining. So how to hide this one? I have to create one separate filter only for the duct lining. Okay, so how to create? Here the filter I can remove and edit new. Here already I created. So if I select here, see, duct lining, if you select the duct lining, it will show here automatically duct lining. So type name equals to fiberglass. Okay, now okay, and if I add here, then it will apply the filter here, see. And after that also this thing, here HVAC, okay, apply, and it will vanish. See, again HVAC and vanish, right? Similarly, I can apply the filter here also, the waste pipe. Okay, so waste pipe and plumbing, right? So pipe fitting, pipe accessories, pipes, okay, plumbing fixture. This is the thing. Okay, later we can add. And after that, here system, which I created in the share parameter, and equals to what? Waste pipe. Here already it will be shown. Okay, now we can add waste pipe here, waste pipe. See, so now easily we can select, and here we can write waste pipe, apply, see, vanish. So very easy to create the filter like this. Okay, and one time only we have to create, and after that you can use in multiple projects. Okay, waste pipe, so let me create and show you. See, so I created all the filters. Okay, so if I want to present our models, okay, and if someone is saying that I want to see only the soil pipe, right? So how we will show? We will come here, filter, okay, uncheck HVAC, waste pipe and duct lining, and apply. See, here only soil pipe is showing, right? And if someone is saying I want to see only HVAC, then apply, only HVAC, and related to HVAC everything, like whether it is duct accessories or the air terminal or the FCU or chilled water pipe, chilled water supply, all the things we can see at a time. Okay, and if this waste pipe, okay, apply, only waste pipe, so only waste pipe we can see. Okay, and after that also here if I want to see same thing, we can see easily, and we can turn off and turn on. Okay. Okay, now see in the floor plan, I want to create the view template. Same filter which I create, I want to apply here. Okay, because this is level 21 and I model only HVAC in this floor. So I don't want to create the view template from the scratch. I want that whatever the filter I create, simply the same filter should I apply here in my view template. Okay, so how we will do? Here we will come. Okay, all we can see all the things. Okay, here select anyone. Here select anything like here and rename or duplicate. Okay, so I want duplicate and HVAC because I did level 21 HVAC, or whatever the services we can create here HVAC. Okay, HVAC. Okay, and here I want to off all the things. Okay, turn off all the things. See, I turn off all the things. Okay, except our filters, these filters. Okay, in that filter here I can add our HVAC which I create earlier, right? Okay, and pipe insulation, duct lining, yes, I want to leave, and these two things I want HVAC, and filters I apply. Okay, okay, now I want to apply here. Okay, so I create my filter here and apply also, but still the plumbing system is showing. So I think something I have to change. Here I add swell pipe, waste pipe. Okay, which I create earlier. All these four filter I create earlier. Okay, so in this view, this filter view template I am going to create for HVAC. So I want to see only HVAC, not the waste pipe and swell pipe. Okay, and okay, see, so easily we can create the view template from the filter. Okay, this is very important to know how to create or how to duplicate our filter into our view template. Okay, so this is two important thing which I explain in this video, which is very important. First one is how to create filter, and the second one is how to copy our filter into our view templates. Okay, now this view template we can use in multiple floor, multiple level. Okay, and in also the share parameter which I create earlier we can use in our multiple project. Okay, similarly here also we can do. Okay, in this one I want to create separate for one filter is for waste pipe and other one is swell pipe. So same thing we can do, right? Anyone we can take, and whatever the name you want to take. Okay, like here we can do waste pipe. Okay, I create one waste pipe and turn off all the things. Let me check if I do one by one. I have to turn off. One time only I have to create this one, and after that we can use in multiple projects. This video is a little bit long, but this is very important. Okay, many viewers skip this one, but don't skip, because this is going to be very important in future. And we can select here filter, remove this one, add what the filter which I create, HVAC, waste pipe, HVAC, right? And work the duct lining. I want to create for waste pipe, so remaining I can turn off. Okay, fine. Waste pipe, fine. This one, here, and the filter we can make the on. See, very easy to create. Okay, so I hope you understand something from this video. If you earn some skill, then please subscribe. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.